So hello guys, welcome to our channel Mathematics with Arman. Today is our first lecture, class 9th, and the first chapter is number system. We have read all the topics behind it, but the some topics which are left, if we go deeper to the any subject. Okay, before we start the session, like share the session and subscribe the channel if you don't. First we will talk about number system. Number system is, what is number system all about? First, natural numbers are there. Start from 1 to infinite. After that we've gotten whole number. Starts from 0 till infinite. After that we have got even number, divisible by 2. Okay, divisible to like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, infinity. Sixth, odd numbers, not divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Seventh, prime numbers. Prime numbers, two factors. Prime number, two factors, 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. Okay, prime number example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and infinite. Okay, eighth, composite numbers. More than, we can't say it 4 factors, 5 factors. It can have infinity of number of factors, not infinity, but more than 2 factors are called composite number. You can make the notes if you want. Okay, composite number example: 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. We have done composite number. Okay, now we have to do rational numbers. Rational number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Form of p by q. Now 10th, irrational number. What are irrational number? Number not in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. At last I will give you a challenging one question. You will just have to comment the answer with its solution if you can. I will shout out the names who have commented the right answer. Okay, 11th one is, there is a set of real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers are divided by, they are divided into two parts. You have already read about rational and irrational. You know rational what number in the form of p by q, and irrational number not in the form of p by q. Number can't be the form of p by q. Okay, rational number example I am telling you: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, and so on. And irrational: root 2, cube root 2, cube root 4, and so on. Okay, we have read about this. Integers also there, but integers. Okay, now let's move to class 9. Something number line is there. You have already did this in class 6 and 7th already this. Okay, integers sign is, you can write as a small z. This is integer. Okay, what it is saying, you might begin with picking up only natural numbers, yes, you know, and so on. You know that this list goes on forever. And natural number we say n, w is for whole numbers, z is for integers. We have already done this in previous. Okay, now what are these numbers called? It is rational, irrational, integers, or any specific type of number? Tell this in comment. After that, rational number is denoted by q, it in the form of p by q. I have already discussed this. Q is where q is not equal to 0. Okay, if we say 25 divided by 1, 25, what if we said 25 divided by 0? It will be defined or not? It will definitely, it is undefined. We can say undefined. Okay, I'm what if if there is 0.25, then the answer would be 0 only. Understand? Okay, we have already talked about the rational numbers. What are rational numbers? We have done already in class 8th. Okay, now answer the following questions. Are the following statements true or false? Every whole number is a natural number. Is 0 is a natural number? No, this answer will be false. Is already. Every integer is a rational number? Yes, we can say every integer is a rational number. -1, -2, -3, and so on. Every rational number is an integer? False. Every rational number is not an integer. This will be false. Okay, this type of question always comes in the exam. Find rational numbers, find dash rational number between this and this. Find dash rational number between this and this. So what's the formula here? Formula is number and divide by 2. This is simplest formula ever. Okay, will this next. Is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? Can you say a rational number 0? Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. What are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 which lies on 3 and 4? 3 and 4 we can say, what we can say, 7 upon 12. Okay, first we'll take out the LCM. What we will do, we will take LCM 3 and 4, LCM 12, and then here also 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 12. 2 6s and 4 3s. 6 and 3 is left. Wait. Question about rational number. Finding 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. What we said, what we see the formula. See here. X plus y upon 2. X plus y upon 2. Here r plus s upon 2. You can say we are doing this only. There are two methods of doing this. There are two for doing this. What if we do, wait, what if we do finding, we know that there can be infinitely many rational numbers between 3 and 4. One way is to take them 3, 21, and we can say 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 1 which is divided by division. 4 we can be written as 28. 6 plus 1, yes. So these are the 21 to 28 are the rational numbers. Okay. Is 0 a rational number? Yes. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Okay, what we were talking about, we have already discussed about this. Okay, what is irrational number? I am telling about what is irrational number. Irrational number are the numbers which can't be in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, what are irrational number? Real numbers can be denoted by r. Okay, proofs of irrational number will be studied in class 10th. If number line we have to show, in number line we have to denote root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. So by the rule of Pythagoras theorem we can do. What does the Pythagoras say? It says hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is all about irrational number or how to calculate. Every rational number is a rational number. Yes. Can we say? Yes, we can say. Every point on the number line is of the form where m is a rational number. False. Or no, false. Every real number is a rational number. No. Are the square roots of all positive Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is irrational. We can state root 4 is equal to 2, where 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number, and so its answer will be no. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No. Show how root 5 can be represented. You have to just do first obtain root 4 and then root 5. In this, now here comes the expansions of rationalization comes here. Rationalization comes here. Decimal expansions come here. Decimal expansion is already known by you. What are the remainders, divisor, how to solve. Okay, now first I am telling you rationalization here. Wait a second. Okay, we were talking about rationalization. What are rationalization? I will tell you. wait, insert page, infinite nahi, A4 portrait. Okay, here I am telling about rationalization. In next page I will tell you vulgar form or root bar questions beside. Rationalization means if you know already that we can't leave the root in denominator. You know already we can't leave the root in denominator. Suppose this is an example. We can't leave the roots in denominator. So what we will do? You will just do in rationalization. You will do root 2. You have to multiply by root 2 only and divide by root 2 only. Then what will come? Root 2 upon root 4. Root 2 upon 2 will be the answer. What if there is example of 1 upon 3 plus root 2? What you will do? So you will do 1 upon, if there is a sign of positive, you will do multiply by negative and divide by negative only, and later on you will do the question by identities. And if there is a question like this having a negative number, what you will do? Rationalization, you will change the signs. Meanwhile I am saying that you have to just change the signs into 3 plus root 2 upon 3 plus root 2. After that you have to solve by the methods identities. So what this is all about, rationalization. If you want a detailed concept in rationalization, you can comment it. I will upload a video of 5 to 6 minutes of rationalization in detail. Or if you want a number line, how to do number line, this is all about how to find the rational numbers between root 2 and root 4. Between you have to find 10 rational number, 100 rational number. How to find it, I will tell you. But just you have to do write and comment detailed concept for this topic. I will upload definitely. Okay, rationalization we have talked about. Decimal expansion you know already, how to divide and all. Okay, now the comes bar. We say vernaculum, or bar, or we say in mathematics vulgar form. Okay, I am inserting a page to explain you vulgar. So vulgar form, infinity nahi, A4. Vulgar form, what is all about vulgar form? How to solve the root, how to solve the non-terminating in P by Q form, vulgar form. First you will see what is in the NCERT. This is a vulgar form. In this bar is called a vernaculum or vulgar form. This type of questions are called vulgar form questions. If you want this also in detail, I will explain you in detail. You just have to drop a comment. Okay, this I will explain in this. Let's take an example of first easier, then we'll move up 0.2 bar. You have to just let the number be. First I will tell you in descriptive, and then I will tell you if there is a MCQ question how to solve easily by trick. Let the number be x. If you have taken number an x, so wait. If you have taken number x, so x will be equal to 0.2 bar, and here is a bar in only 2. So we can, if you put here, so it will be 2.22 on something bar, and here will be 10x. You have just to subtract. You just have to subtract now. Here 2 will be cancelled. 2 will be left, and then 10x minus x will be 9x. Here x will be equal to 2 upon 9. Now this only you have to do in MCQ, in trick, by the trick method. How to do this in trick method? 0.2 bar. Just see the first you have to see how many place it is bar. You have to do one time it is, so 10 minus 1, which will be 9. No, okay. If there is not a number, you have to just 0 minus 2, which will be 0 plus 2, it will be 2 upon 9. So this is the MCQ. We will solve more questions in next class. Okay, before that we can see, yes, you can perform these questions with the decimal expansion. This I will tell you already. Number in the form of p by q, how to solve. Okay, this I take an example. 0.47 is there. Only 7 have a power. 9 0 you will 99 firstly. Then 47 minus 7 कर देंगे तो आंसर will be 40 upon 99. Answer will be 40 upon 99. Okay, but we'll talking 0.6 bar is there now. 0.6 bar is there. So what you will perform? 0.6 is there. So first you will write 9, and here is nothing, so 6. So answer will be 2 upon 3. Here what will come? 47 minus 4 upon 9, और एक में वो नहीं है तो 0 आ जाएगा. Okay, so answer will be 43 upon 90. This is a trick how to solve without long method. And this I can't see the, okay, 0.001 bar. It means we can say 1 upon 3 bar times 3 times 999. So this will be the answers. I have tell you how to do in the trick method. You can do decimal expansions. I will share the PDF on the group. If you want to be added on the group, you can text me. I will add you in my group. If you have any doubt or queries in this chapter, I will discuss all it about, or you can drop just a comment. Okay, law, what if we have, I have completed what? I have completed rationalization. Now you have to do some properties, which we say laws of exponents, already studied in class 8th. I will not repeat the property, but I will answer I will say. Okay, 64 is said 8 square into 1 by 2. Answer will be 8. Answer will be 8. Here 3 square 3 2 by 2, and 3 cube will be its answer. Will be its answer. After that, this question 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here this dot means and multiply. Okay, you just have to take an LCM. You will do this. I am doing 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. By 5 cancel out. 5 cube into 1 cube. Answer will be 5. 2 raise 4 into 3 by 4. Answer will be 2 raise what? 3. And later you can solve it out. This also I am telling. 5 cube 5 raise minus 1. You can say 1 upon 5. according to which property? A upon B is minus 1 minus m, so B upon A will be m positive. Let's do the summary. A number R is called a rational number. It can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, we know. Irrational number, we know it cannot be written in the form of P by Q, Q is not equal to 0. Decimal expansion, either terminating or non-terminating. Terminating means if the number is completely divisible, and non-terminating if the repetition is there. All the rational and irrational numbers come in the collection of real numbers, and these are the some identities which hold rational real numbers. This is, I have already tell you what are rationalization, and in next class what we will discuss. In next class we have discussed rationalization. What we have discussed? Rationalization, vulgar form, number between line, number line, all types of numbers, and after that number line. We have done number line and so on. Next class we will do these questions: rationalization, and vulgar form is there, and some laws of exponents is there. I have so many questions about this. Okay, now next we will come to the last. Okay, this PDF, this presentation is made by TitanFF_155 SHAURYA, and I thank you for 100 subscribers, and thank you for supporting me. And in this way we have completed a number system. Now next class will be on doubt session if you have, or we will do next class question. If you have any doubt, you can just comment any question you have doubt, any topic you have doubt. I will repeat it, and number is 7983. Wait, if you have any questions or if you want to add on the group, you can text me. So this is the number. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can text me or comment. If you have any queries. At last I want to end the session from this. Thank you for supporting me. 400 subscribers you have already completed, and I want that you keep supporting me. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment, or any video quality or writing, you can comment all about. And like the session, share the session. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so every upload I make, so you can know. Thank you.